So guys, today I am taking you to Peloaram Hotel, which is run by brother LUNGMEYING KUAME at MAHADEV TILA. So let's go! Here we go, Peloaram Hotel. The venue is MAHADEV TILA main road. Let's get in. This is the way Peloaram Hills Hotel, foodie available. This is the way. So let me introduce you the owner of this hotel. Hi.
Hi.
So he's a senior in our high secondary life, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we studied in the same school when I was in class 10, maybe you were in 12. Is it?
Yes.
So here he's running an hotel, a business.
Yeah, this is Peloaram Hotel. So dear viewers, please do visit my hotel. Here you will get different unique food item.
So yes guys, please do visit this hotel. It is very great. The foodies are like very much interesting. So please do visit this place for sure. And it is located in MAHADEV TILA. So like when you travel by train and then you can take a rest and have a very fresh food of like tribal. So guys, this is king chili. If you want spicy food, you can have this one. And I don't know this one, but with Aquino, you must enjoy this one. So, okay, next. This is pork. This is beans and onions. So that. This is dog. Here's the rice. And guys, here's the menu already. And so guys, before we start, I want to add something. If you're traveling from train, by train, so it is here at MAHADEV TILA, the hotel, Peloaram Hotel is. So please do visit this place. This is amazing. I can guarantee it. Fresh item. Let's enjoy it. So now, time starts. This is my plate. Starting with what? May banana luma. So this is pork, okay? One. I'm going to start. I'm going to have pork right now. This is the pork. Fermented bamboo shoot. Look at that. Nami ba? And then this is bra. I like this. I like fermented wine. Zimbo na to tunjuk leza ha. Jadi zimbo. Nang ito na ibzalin na ngaw daso. Even chicken fried leg is here. But they also very this one. So please come and visit. Let me pray before I eat, okay? Karaina Yatima. I don't know the name, but there is Akuni, okay? I think you'll know just by looking. So, if you know the name, please let me know in the comment section. We call it Karaina.
Yes.
It is Karaina with Akuni. Let me start. Hey, this is my first mukbang video, which is nice. And you comment down below if I'm good at it or not. Pork is really nice. Oh, Kiko hair. Basic mom.
Bring back.
Thế này ở rồi bên này thôi. This is tasty.
You done?
No, the owner is serving me right now. The food are so delicious, guys. Please do visit. I will be very glad if you do, and yes, if you're coming or hungry anything, it is in MAHADEV TILA, HAFLONG. Please do visit this hotel. This is great. All the items are made in a tribal style, tribal foodie, so please do visit. I'm finally done. Let's go and wash our hands. I'm full, so I completely finished. Let me go and wash my hands. This is the view, guys. This is what I am enjoying while eating. This is the village, Songpizang village. Those are churches all around. Oh yes, so that's the main road near it. So it's not too far nor too near. This is the perfect location for that. That's it. Just wash. Guys, I'm leaving Peloaram Hotel. And he's going to drop me. So I'm so blessed. Blessed. Asi, taday danay. Hey, gitu isa lang misa telemisa. So we're going back. Okay, I really had a great time. Their hospitality, the way they served, it was very nice. And the food was delicious. Please do visit this Peloaram Hotel for sure. I beg you. I want to end my video here, so thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next vlog.